Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Build Your Knowledge. Today I am going to discuss the topic about prepositions. So let's start with the meaning of prepositions. A preposition is a word usually placed before a noun or a pronoun to show its relation to some other word in a sentence. For example, there is a book on the table and the girl jumped into the river. So, in these two sentences, on and into are those words which known as preposition. Basically, there are different kinds of prepositions like simple, double, compound, participle, and phrase. Let's know each of them in detail. The first kind of preposition is simple. Simple preposition is used simply in the sentence to define the meaning of sentences. For example, in and at are two basic examples of simple preposition. Basically, there is a common difference in these two simple preposition, like in is used with names of large towns and countries. On the other hand, at is used with names of small towns and villages. For example, Komal is in Mumbai. On the other hand, Lucky lives at Bhagpat Road in Meerut. Now move on to the double preposition. From and among are basic two examples of double preposition. Basically, from is used with any form of time. On the other hand, among is used for more than two things or persons. For example, I started my work from 1st January. On the other hand, the four sisters quarreled among themselves. Then compound preposition. Beside and between are common examples of compound preposition. Basically, beside means by the side of. For example, he came and sat beside me. On the other hand, between is used for two persons. For example, the property was divided between the two brothers. Then participle prepositions. Participle prepositions basically showing continuous process and continuous form of verb like accepting, including, during and owing. Then move on to the last but not least phrase kind of preposition. Phrase prepositions are groups of words used with the force of a single preposition. For example, because of, according to, and along with. Thank you everyone. I hope you like the concept of preposition. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel which is Build Your Knowledge, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.